Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're feeling calm because what I am about to tell you might change the way you look at your daily life forever. Have you ever felt that strange, cold shiver when you realize something is terribly wrong, but you are too exhausted to even speak? Today, we are stepping into a story that starts with a simple cup of coffee, but leads to a moment of pure, silent desperation. We will follow Ethan and Mina, two co-workers who thought they were just taking a normal break. But in the quiet corners of a new cafe, a small mistake turns into a test of survival. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can feel every heartbeat of this story. Before the mystery unfolds, I have one crucial question for you. What kind of coffee does Ethan like to drink? The answer is hidden deep within their conversation. If you find it, you must write it in the comments. But first, if you believe in the power of stories to change your English and your life, please subscribe to our channel right now. Your support is the only reason we can keep uncovering these deep, meaningful journeys for you. Are you ready to see what happens when the caffeine wears off and the truth remains? Let us begin.
Mina, I can't look at this screen anymore. My eyes are burning.
I feel the same, Ethan. This office feels so heavy today. We need to breathe.
You're right. Let's go to the usual place. The one on the main street?
No, not today. I want something different. A fresh start.
Oh? Do you have a new place in mind?
Yes, it's a hidden gem just around the corner. It has a small green sign. Most people miss it.
Really? I walk past that street every day. I never saw a cafe there.
That's because you're always rushing, Ethan. It's like a quiet harbor. I found it last month when the city felt too loud.
A quiet harbor. That sounds perfect. I need a small adventure.
Wait, just one more minute. I need to send this final email. I want my mind to be free.
No problem. I'll wait here. The breeze feels good already.
Done. Digital world, off. Let's go find that coffee.
They reflect the sunlight beautifully.
Yes, look at that rustic wooden door. It feels like a bridge to a different world.
Wow.
Do you smell that?
Oh my. The aroma of roasted beans. It feels like a warm hug.
I told you. The lighting is so golden and cozy.
Look at those plush chairs and the silver coffee machines. They look like they're dancing.
It's not just a shop, Ethan. It's a place for the soul to rest.
My heart already feels lighter. Let's find a table. I'm a bit overwhelmed.
Don't worry, I'll help you. What are you looking for?
What's the real secret between a latte and a cappuccino? They sound the same to me.
Well, a latte is like a warm, milky blanket. It's very smooth because of the steamed milk.
And the cappuccino?
That's more dramatic. It has a thick crown of foam. It's like sipping on a cloud.
I think I need something stronger to wake up my heart.
An espresso? It's the small but powerful dark soul of coffee.
Actually, I want a hot black coffee. No sugar, no milk. Just the truth of the bean.
Black coffee? Ethan, that's like facing the cold truth of the world without a shield.
I like the intensity. What about you?
I crave a symphony of milk and sugar. I need a sweet comfort today.
Strong for me, sweet for you. Let's order. Did you hear that? I'm actually quite hungry. I skipped lunch for that meeting.
Me too. Look at this display case. Everything looks like a small piece of art.
Those chocolate cakes, they look so heavy and rich, like they hold 1,000 secrets.
A sugary treat is the perfect medicine for a tired brain. I think I need a slice of that.
It looks delicious, but I need something substantial to anchor me. I'm exhausted.
What about the sandwiches? Look at that artisanal bread, the green lettuce, and those deep red tomatoes.
That's it, the ham and cheese sandwich. It looks savory and big.
Good choice. Should we check the muffins too? They have bursting blueberries.
They look great, but let's stay focused. I need real food to feel alive again.
Okay, let's go to the counter and order. Hi, we'd like to order 2 coffees and some food.
Sure thing. What kind of coffee?
Can I have 1 iced latte, please? Medium size.
You got it. Any sugar or flavors in that?
Just a touch of sugar, please.
Perfect. And for your friend?
A medium hot coffee, please. Black.
No milk or cream for the hot coffee?
No, thank you. Just black. I want the honest aroma.
I like that. And any food for you guys?
Yes, 1 slice of the dark chocolate cake and 1 ham and cheese sandwich, please.
Great. Is that for here or to go?
For here, please. We want to sit by the window.
That will be $12.50. Do you need your receipt?
No, thanks. I'm good.
All right. Take a seat. I'll bring everything to your table in a few minutes. Here you go. Enjoy your break.
Thank you.
Finally. I love the feeling of this warm ceramic in my hands.
Listen to that sound. It's like a soft melody.
This black coffee has such an earthy perfume. It smells like the morning sun.
Oh, what a relief. This latte is like a cool, milky hug. The street outside felt so hot.
Wow, it's strong. It's clearing the fog from my mind.
This cake is so soft and indulgent. Try a bit of your sandwich.
The bread is so crunchy, and the vegetables are so fresh. This is exactly what I needed.
It's a perfect harmony, isn't it? Heat, ice, and comfort.
You know, Mina, I realized something. Ordering coffee in English isn't that scary.
You're right. Those survival phrases are like a compass.
Yeah, small, medium, or large. It's so simple, but it gets you exactly what you want.
And for here or to go. It's not just about the cup. It's about deciding to reclaim our time.
Exactly. I chose black coffee because I wanted the truth. And we described the food as fresh and delicious.
These aren't just words, Ethan. They are feelings.
I feel like I belong here now. I don't need 1,000 complex words to survive and thrive.
English is beautiful when it's simple and honest. Can I have a medium coffee, please? That's all you need to start a journey. Latte really reset my brain.
This cafe time wasn't a luxury, Mina. It was a necessary sanctuary.
I love how the staff was so kind. They made us feel truly seen, not just like customers.
Let's promise to come back next week. I want to try cappuccino next time.
And I want to try those blueberry muffins.
The world outside doesn't look so daunting anymore.
Because we have a renewed sense of peace. Let's head back.
Let's go. See you next week, Kana Cafe.
Me that sometimes the best way to move forward is simply to stop and breathe for a while. Now, let us return to the mystery from the very beginning. What kind of coffee does Ethan like to drink? If you listened with your heart, you know the answer is hot black coffee, bold, pure, and strong. Please write your answer in the comments. Even one small sentence proves you are growing. If this journey touched you, subscribe to Speak English with Kana. Your presence makes this community whole. See you next time. Bye.